All right, so I got one here for you, maintenance video. So, customer wants us to check the transmission fluid level. This is a Ford F-150. The problem is, looking over here, there's no dipstick. Over here, there's the engine oil, but there's no dipstick. So let's get this thing up in the air. Get this thing up in the air, and I'll show you what you got to do. All right, so what we got to do is on the Fords, right here, on this part right here. You guys see it? Right here. You can't even see it. All right, I'm going to sit you down, and I'm going to show you what you got to do. So the engine is still running. You get let's walk over here. We're going to get a 19 millimeter, 3/4, something like that. We're going to pop this free. Just be careful. I'm not responsible for you burning your hand. Right here, that's a converter, a catalytic converter. So what we got to do is, if you do this with the engine off, let me get a, come on, Pete, get a light. Come over here. Here's all my healthy drinks. Zero calories. We're gonna get a light. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Can you see it now? Right here. We're gonna take this plug out. If you take this plug out with the engine off, very certain that stuff's gonna run out. And then what you're gonna do is, we're gonna push, actually first thing we should do, take this out, we're gonna wipe it off. All right, so we'll start with this clean. Right here, there's some A and B, depending on the temperature. This one's been warmed up for a little while. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick this in here, push it all the way down, take a little dipstick, and we're gonna bring it out. And you can see on this one that the level is low and discolored. So we're gonna do it one more time, just to confirm. And it's below the cold mark and it's dirty. So that's how to check your transmission fluid level on an F-150.